So can you imagine the workload? How much do you have? Can you imagine the workload? So backlog you are having casting, forming, and then machining is going on. So machining I will complete this week. So machining will be completed before 15th August. I will complete this machining. So before 15th August, I will complete your entire machining. Then welding will be there. That will take 1 week. So before 25th, I will 15th. I will complete entire MP manufacturing process. Then you have advanced machining process. That will take 3 days. Advanced machining process. You are getting my points, everybody. Why I am writing all these things? You know why? To show you the 56. I am showing you all these statics. I am showing you all these statics. So workload you have understood now. I will not, and you all you have, and you all have to submit solution. You have to submit solution of GATE 38 years. At least 80%. 20% I will discuss. I will discuss. How many people, how many of you have already gone through that question papers machining? Machining question paper, how many guys have gone through? Amal, okay. Nikhil, Mohit, started Subham. Could you solve all cutting tool problems? Cutting tool problems, could you solve all? Then you have to write down questions, number and page. Okay, so what is plan now? I am reading you. No. You have to solve all. So what you have to do, listen carefully. I request you all, please listen carefully. A topic is covered within 3 days. Within 3 days, you have to solve. You have to solve same this topic problem. Solve same topic all gate problem. You all are okay? If I cover a topic and within 3 days you have to solve same topic, means this topic, all gate questions. Will you able to do that? I will discuss. No, I am talking about the Amal. I am telling what I have taught, that you have to solve first. You have to solve first what I have already taught. This is our hill. This is our gate. This is our gate. You have to reach here now. Steps. First here. This part will cover later. First you have to reach here. This is your 80%. This is 20%. I will help you here only. This part you have to do. These are all, first you do all easy, then medium or standard, then difficult. Getting my point? First easy, medium, then standard. Thank you, Shubham. Anyway, you have to do this, man, because easy questions, medium questions, once you complete, then I will help you in this. So seriously, you have to take. I have very good analogy here. I am telling you, what is the analogy? Total almost 2.5 lakhs mechanical student will appear in the examination. Mechanical students will appear, and only 300 will get IIT, IISc, or a job, or a government or PSU job. 2.5 lakhs. Getting my point? Only 300. So total guys will be here. Here total guy will be 2.5 lakhs. 2.5 lakhs means 25 into 1000. Am I right? So 25, this much, and finally here only 3,300 guys will come here. 300. So this distance, no, this will be very tough. It is very easy to get 50 marks. Very easy to get 50 marks. Somewhat tough 60 marks. 70 marks you can reach, but 70 to 80 only 18 hours, 16 to 18 hours. If you are studying smartly, then only you will be able to reach these 80 marks. And if you don't get these 80 marks, there is no use. You will not be able to reach here. You need 85, 82, 85 marks out of 100. Can you imagine the situation? No step mark, 100% accuracy and 100% syllabus cover. So you need 100% syllabus, 100% accuracy, and you need 500% practice, and you need 16 to 18 hours study. you need 35 years gate questions at least 4 to 5 times you have to solve. And now you 567 problem from one subject, one. So into 10. So almost 5,000 gate questions is waiting for you. And it will require minimum 10 minutes, 10-20 minutes. You can assume, you can now calculate hours. And again, if your efficiency is only 60 to 70%. You guys are feeling I want to sense that I want to give a sense of gate examination, whether you guys are feeling that